Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
You are having an ally. This is nothing but a conspiracy between Digambar Kamat and Reginaldo Lourenco to wipe out the Congress from Foward and Curtorim, and its effect is going to have repercussions throughout Goa. Digambar Kamat and Reginaldo, I will be writing to take action against them for having used the symbol of the Congress, shaking hands with the president of a political party also having his symbol together.
Reginaldo Lourenco has, with his actions, by not showing any interest in Curtorim, is made it very clear. If people understand and got brain and what eyes to see, he is not going to contest on the Congress ticket, neither he may get the Congress ticket. And Digambar Kamat, lock, stock and barrel will go to the BJP. That is the whole game plan, even for a minister's birth.
And in the larger interest of people in Goa, I sacrifice and I did not contest any of the words.
The candidate Foward, जे आमचे Foward, आमकां 10 candidate Foward, जे आमचे Foward पॅनलाक सपोर्ट करता. तेच परी आमच्या मदें सिल्वेस्टर मडगांवचो वॉर्ड नंबर 15 तो बशिल्लो ताणें बीन आमकां सपोर्ट केल्लो आसा.